Hey friends, AI-generated movie trailers are trending right now. Want to learn how to make cinematic trailers using AI and get thousands of views? In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to create a viral AI movie trailer. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and drop a comment. Let's get started. Step 1. Writing prompts with ChatGPT. First, we need detailed prompts to generate high-quality images and animations. Step 2. Creating images with Piclimen AI. Now we will create realistic AI images using Piclimen AI. Follow these steps. 1. Go to Piclimen AI and sign up. 2. Start a new project. 3. Enter your detailed prompt. Set the image format to 16 by 9 widescreen. 5. Generate and select 2 images for the trailer. 6. Download your images. Pro tip: use cinematic prompts for high-quality results. Choose realistic or 3D styles. Step 3. Animating images with Kling AI. Now let's bring our images to life using Kling AI. Here's how. 1. Go to Kling AI and sign up. Select AI video mode. Upload the 2 selected images from Piclimen. Write animation prompts for movement and effects. Click Generate and wait for the video. Pro tip: Kling AI gives 166 free tokens per month. A standard animation costs 20 tokens. You can upload up to 8 images in one video. Step 4. Creating trailer music with Suno AI. A movie trailer needs powerful music. We will generate epic cinematic music using Suno AI. Steps to follow. 1. Use ChatGPT to write a music prompt. Go to Suno AI and sign up. 3. Turn on the instrumental mode. Paste the music prompt into the style section. Click Generate and download your soundtrack. Step 5. Editing the final video. CapCut. Now we will edit everything together using CapCut. Follow these steps. 1. Open CapCut and create a new project. 2. Import the animated videos from Kling AI. 3. Add the cinematic soundtrack from Suno AI. 4. Arrange the clips in the right order. 5. Add transitions, effects, and cinematic sound effects. 6. Export the final video. Pro tip: add cinematic effects for a professional look. Use CapCut's sound library for extra impact. We just created an AI-generated movie trailer from scratch. Do you want to create viral AI videos and get thousands of views? Then subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Stay tuned for more tutorials. See you in the next video. Cool guy.